one of the things that you can do within Premiere is you can resize windows at any point. I'm going to move to the top of the project window here, and my mouse icon will turn into this little double arrow trim symbol icon. I'm going to drag upwards. As you can see, that makes the vertical height of the window bigger. And I'm going to move to the edge of the window on the right hand side and drag outwards, and that makes it bigger horizontally. Incidentally, if you want to get your interface back to its default settings at any point, you have a bar at the top of the screen called the Workspaces bar. And these options on here are different window layouts that you generally use for doing different parts of the editing process. If I just click on them, you'll see it reconfiguring the window layout each time I click on one of these. The main general workspace to initially start with, at least, is the editing workspace. I'm just going to click back onto that, and that's the one that I just made the bigger project window with. If I want to get this back, or as and when I want to get this back to its original layout, all you do is you go back up to the editing workspace option here on the Workspaces bar. Each of the workspaces has a little action menu next to it. You click on that, and there is a reset to saved layout option, and if you click on that, that just gets everything back. It's also quite useful to know if you accidentally shut a window down that you want to get back. Just another quick example here. Within some of the windows you have additional tabs along the top of the window, which you can click on and give you various useful areas and so on. It might be that I accidentally shut one of these down, and you can do that by clicking on the action menu here, just choosing close panel. Let's close this one down as well. Again, if I reset the interface, like so, reset to save layout, I can just get everything back to its original format, and you can see, look, there's the media browser tab that I'd turned off previously, and I'll make the window a bit bigger. There's the effects one that I closed down as well. So the reset option is really useful. Just two more things just to mention. I'm just going to close the effects one again. You can also get tabs back via the window menu. This menu lists all of the windows that are available within Adobe Premiere, and the ones that are ticked are the ones that are currently active in the workspace. You see, look, there's effects. If I click on that, it brings me my effects tab back. Another useful thing to know from the window menu is there's actually a workspaces option on there which lists all the window layout workspaces as, again. The one with the little dot next to it represents the one that you're on. And yet again, there is a reset to save layout option there on that menu that you can reset the workspace from. The reason I'm mentioning that is it's feasible to accidentally shut down the workspace bar at the top of the screen, in which case you're not going to be able to see the option to reset your workspace up there. So if that ever happens, that's the way to do it. Go back to workspaces, make sure you're on the right workspace, and just choose reset to save layout.